to go. Both ways. And you know what? Mom is gonna help you really quickly. Right, Mom? Oh, maybe not so quickly. Mom, are you gonna get your shovel and help Doris? You go, Doris. Don't let that snow beat you down. Come on, Ninja. All right, Doris, my fingers are cold. Wave goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye.
This is what I do every day when Lola comes out. Look at this power. Look at this woman in the snow. Say goodbye to all the people in warmer weather. Say, I'm freezing.